Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel.
Hello friends, today let's make 5 amazing desserts using mango. These homemade dessert recipes are an easy and tasty alternative to processed desserts available in stores. So let's first make mango custard. And in this recipe we are going to add mango pulp or puree to the traditional custard milk. Here I am using 2 cups or half liter milk. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons custard powder and little milk and mix them very well so that no lumps are formed. Boil the milk and stir occasionally. Pour the custard milk and stir for 2 to 3 minutes or until the custard milk is well combined with the milk. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and stir well. Cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until milk thickens and turns creamy. Turn off the stove and let it cool completely. Meanwhile, let's peel and cut the mango into pieces. And make the mango pulp in the mixie jar without adding any water. Grind into a smooth paste and add to the custard. Mix and whisk smooth until custard and mango pulp are combined very well. Now let's take the mixture into a bowl, cover it and refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, take the chilled mango custard to a serving bowl. Add few mango pieces to the custard and also you can add other fruits of your choice. Garnish with some more mango pieces and dry fruits. And our delicious mango custard is ready. Mango coconut suji barfi is a new and delicious sweet and I relish the flavors in it. Put a pan on the stove and add 2 teaspoons ghee. Add 1 cup Bombay Rava or semolina. Stir on low flame for 5 minutes until it turns aromatic. I am adding 2 tablespoons coarsely grinded cashew nuts. Also add 1 cup coconut powder. Stir all the ingredients very well and fry them for another 1 minute. Now add 1/4 cup sugar and mix well. I am adding 1 cup mango pulp to the mixture. Mix and combine all the ingredients very well. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Also add half teaspoon cardamom powder and mix well. Grease the plate with half teaspoon ghee and add the prepared mixture to the plate and press it hard to give a shape to it. Pressing with spatula, I am giving it a rectangular shape so that I can cut into small pieces. Top it with some chopped cashew nuts. Keep it aside for 30 minutes and let it cool down completely. Now cut them into small square pieces and our mango barfi is ready to be served. Now let's make kids' favorite mango ice cream, which is very simple and easy to make using only 3 ingredients. Peel and chop the mango and make a puree using a mixie jar. Take a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons milk maid. Add 1 cup pureed mango. I am adding 1 cup buttermilk which is made using fresh curd made at home. Now combine all the ingredients very well. If you have any ice cream molds, use them, otherwise you can refrigerate the mixture directly in the deep freezer. This easy to make dessert recipe will be relished by kids. Now let's make mango fruity recipe at home. Mango fruity is an easy to make recipe which we can make in advance and keep in the fridge. For this recipe I am using 2 raw mangoes and 3 ripened mangoes. Cut them into small pieces and make a puree out of them. Put a pan on the stove and add the mango puree. Add 1 glass water and stir well. Add 1 more glass of water to the mixie jar. Take out all the pulp and add to the pan. Stir it for 5 minutes, keeping on medium flame. Add 1½ cup sugar and mix well. Keep on stirring for another 5 to 10 minutes until the pulp becomes little thick and silky. Once it is cooled down completely, it becomes little more thicker. Take out the pulp into a jar and refrigerate it for 30 minutes before serving. Fill half of the glass with chilled pulp and remaining half with water. Adjust the water based on your taste. Stir it well and our mango fruity is ready. Now let's see easy and tasty egg-free mango cake recipe made with cake batter and mango pulp. Take a ripe mango, peel and chop into pieces and make a puree using mixer grinder. Take a large bowl and add the mango puree in it. Now let's add half cup oil to the mango pulp and mix well. Take 2 cups all-purpose flour and sieve it using a strainer. Also sieve half cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Sieve all these ingredients together using a strainer. Now mix and combine all the ingredients very well. And the addition of the sugar depends on the sweetness of the mangoes. Also add few drops of vanilla essence and combine well. Add half cup milk and combine all the ingredients very well to make a smooth paste. And gently fold the mixture with a spatula. The batter should be in this consistency to make a perfect cake. Take a big vessel or cooker and add salt to it for baking. Place a stand inside it and let it preheat for 10 minutes on medium heat. Grease the baking pan with little oil and pour the batter in it. Now let's bake it for 30 minutes on medium flame. While baking the cake, don't put the gasket and no whistle. After 30 minutes, let's check if the cake is baked. And the cake is baked perfectly, so let's take it into a plate once it is cooled down. It looks perfect and the spongy mango cake is ready. Thank you for watching and please do like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe for watching coming up video on tasty snacks for travel and for the evenings.